Unit 5 Power Electronic Applications. First, we will see what are the various applications in brief and how SCR has changed the lives of everybody. So, SCR, in addition with SCR, there are also a number of power electronic devices, or we can say components such as diac, triac, etc., power transistors. These have revolutionized this modern era. So let us have a brief introduction about power electronic applications. So in this global industrial automation, energy generation, conservation of the 21st century, there was a widespread impact of power electronics, and the impact is inevitable. As the technology is maturing and cost is decreasing, power electronics is expanding in the applications such as switch mode power supply, that is SMPS. We find the switch mode power supplies basically in the computer systems or the laptops, in all the electronic devices. Then we have uninterrupted power supply, that is the UPS system, electrochemical processing such as arc welding, induction heating, etc. Heating and lightening, static VR compensation, active filtering, HVDC transmission. This is very important application, high voltage DC transmission. So we will generally high voltage is transmitted previously by using the transformers. We are stepping up the voltage and then we are transferring to the longer distances using the wires. But there were huge losses. Now, how to overcome these losses? So there was one technique developed called HVDC transmission, that is high voltage DC transmission system was developed to avoid the losses. Then another application is the photovoltaics system, means by using light we can generate the electrical energy. And variable frequency motor drives, means we are in a by using thyristors we are able to control the frequency, input frequency, also the frequency which is input can be controlled, means we can vary the frequency of the supply frequency at the output which is given to the motors. So the importance of power electronics is being increasingly visible nowadays in the energy saving of the electrical apparatus by more efficient use of electricity. The energy consumption in the world is increasing by leaps and bounds to improve the human living standard, particularly in the industrialized countries. The major amount of this energy comes by burning the fossil fuels such as coal, natural gas, oil, and these things create a global warming effect, and also they cause urban pollution problems, and these problems cannot be solved right now. They are releasing tons and tons of carbon dioxide every day, every single minute, and hence the temperature of earth is increasing. This leads to the disturbing the ecological balance of the earth. The energy efficiency improvement of electrical apparatus with the help of power electronics not only reduces electricity consumption but the corresponding reduction in the power generation indirectly helps the reduction of environmental pollution problems. So by using the power electronic systems, we are basically reducing the electricity consumption, and electricity consumption is reduced means obviously there will be need of less power generation, and if power is requirement is less means we are indirectly reducing the environmental pollution problem. So this was a brief introduction about the power electronics, what it is need. Now here we can see some of the applications of power electronics such as SMPS, switching mode power supply. We are going to discuss each application in detail, but let us see how they look like. So this is the power one of the application of power electronics, that is switch mode power supply. It is generally we see these systems in our desktop computer CPUs. So these are UPS, uninterrupted power UPS, uninterrupted power supplies. So this system you can see we are using for our desktops, but for industry purpose we require UPS of around 2 kVA, 3 kVA, 5 kVA, 25 kVA UPS. The battery is built inbuilt here, but for large UPS battery systems cannot be inbuilt and they are mounted separately outside the main UPS system. So this is how our UPS system looks like, internal view. Another application is the emergency lighting system. So previously we were using CFL bulbs or tube lights, but now it is replaced by the LEDs, and the LEDs consumes less power as compared to CFLs. So these are very much portable emergency lighting systems. Another application is the battery charger. So nowadays we are having the mobile phones of up to 65-watt charger, more than the energy consumed by the fan. The energy is consumed for charging the mobile phone. 45-watt, 65 fast chargers. We will see how it works. So here we are talking about the battery chargers, the mobile chargers, different types of mobile chargers or battery charging system. Burglar's alarm. What is the meaning of burglar's alarm? If some thieves want to intrude our home or our uh, uh, premises without our permission, then it will make a alarm. So these systems we can design by using the power electronic components. Other systems also can be designed, such as fire alarms, smoke alarms. We can design using the thyristor family components. So these are all the applications of power electronics. There are a number of applications, but these are very day-to-day common applications which are we are using. So I would like to show you, that's why I've shown these pictures how these applications looks like. So in the next session we will discuss each application in detail. Thank you very much.